Hello and welcome to DuckBuddy Procreate Art. This is the picture that I'm going to show you how to make today. So, last time I showed you a bunch of how to put three pictures together, but this time I'm going to use the smudge tool, and it's mostly just the smudge tool. So, we are going to put this picture in here. I thought it was really romantic. Here I am smudging around the white. Basically, all I did was put a picture on top of a picture and started smudging out the white. I'm trying to blend the white with the clouds, so it looks not quite so stark. I just try to get the edges out of there. Then I decided to play around with the colors, and I really liked the way this skirt looked, so I wanted to keep this part. I wanted to keep this color. So then I just keep smudging around. Now I'm adding some color because I don't want to have too much white there, and I'm trying to smudge the white out, but it's just a lot of white. So I'm adding color around the edges, and then I'm trying to smudge that color in. You'll see I'm adding the orange, the red, and some black in there. I'm worried about smudging between the legs because there's so much risk of getting all the black between the legs, and then it ends up just being like a murky shadow. So I'm trying to add different colors around all the edges. You can see I tried to keep the hair, but it didn't work because there was just too much to do in there. Here I am filling in the legs with some red and some black. And then I am putting the orange around. It looks really chunky, and these little bits are chunky, but then I'm going to add bigger chunks later to smooth everything out. So here I am just trying to fix the hair. I really like the wispiness of the hair before, but I couldn't keep it. It just, I'm not that good of an artist to make hair. So here I am adding, look, there's a castle. I put the castle in the back. I did the same thing. I went and tried to get rid of all the white, and I added more color in between all the spaces to get rid of some of that white. And I added the small clouds first. I used in Procreate, they have a cloud in the elements section. They have clouds. So I'm using small clouds first, then big clouds afterwards. There's a big cloud right there that I'm adding. And there's other big clouds in there. But that's pretty much what I did. I just took three pictures, put them together, took out the white, and added some color. And then this is the end result. And here are some other colors. I did just some different variations. I really like a lot of these. I played with the color afterwards to see which one I like, and I'm going to probably turn these into notebooks because I think it looks really beautiful. These are some different, and then I made a black and white one at the end, and these are probably going to be notebooks because I make notebooks. So I hope that was helpful. I hope you have fun trying that.